In this video, we'll show you how to connect your SHEIN sales channel with MMC. There are two ways to connect SHEIN through the onboarding process when creating a new MMC account through the Add Integration option inside the MMC application. Let's go through both methods step by step. When you first create your MMC account, you'll be guided through a simple onboarding process. First, create your account and select your preferred sales channel and ERP system. Once you've completed your selections, click Next and fill out your POC, point of contact details. After submitting your information, you'll be taken to the next step where you can connect your sales channels. Select SHEIN from the available sales channels and follow the on-screen instructions. Complete the remaining onboarding steps and your SHEIN sales channel will be successfully connected to MMC. If you already have an MMC account, you can connect SHEIN directly from within the application. Start by logging into your MMC account. From the dashboard, navigate to Sales Channels and click Add Integration. A list of available integrations will appear, SHEIN, and click Connect. A pop-up window will open asking for your connection details. Enter the required information and click Continue. MMC will then redirect you to SHEIN's login page. Log in using your SHEIN and credentials and review the permissions requested. Click Allow to authorize the connection. Once authorization is complete, you'll automatically be redirected back to MMC. MMC will verify the connection and your SHEIN sales channel will be added successfully. That's it. You have now successfully connected your SHEIN sales channel with MMC. You can now start syncing orders, inventory, and product data between SHEIN and your connected systems. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.